Hi, do you want to spend Durga Puja in Kolkata? Do you want to do pandal hopping and visit as many pandals as you can in one day? Well, I know I do. So let's get started. So this one is another North Kolkata pandal hopping tour guide and today we'll be covering Shobha Bazar, Kumartuli, Bagh Bazar, Hathibagan, Ultodanga, and also if you really want to then you can go towards the Tala area as well. So we'll be starting from Ahiritola More or from Shobha Bazar Metro. This is the Shobha Bazar Shutanati Metro station, and we'll be starting from here, walking from Central Avenue. Yes, this is a walking tour, and we'll be having 3 different areas for this one. So the first one we'll be covering from Shobha Bazar. We can head towards Ahiritola Juvok Brindo Durga Puja, and just after Ahiritola Juvok Brindo you'll have Ahiritola Sarbojanin Durgotsav. You can then head back a little bit towards the Shobha Bazar bus stop, and over there you'll have Shobha Bazar Beniotola Sarbojanin Durgotsav. Just to give you a little context, today we'll be covering a few of the very extremely old Durga Puja mondops, and many of them are almost 100 years old, and we'll be covering a few of them. After Beniotola, we walk towards Kumartuli Park, and as many of you already know, Kumartuli is one of the places where the Durga idols are made. Many people go over there before Durga Pujas to get photos clicked and to click many aesthetic photos of the people making the Durga idols. So after Kumartuli Park, you move on to the Kumartuli Sarbojanin Durgotsav and then head off towards Bagh Bazar. In Bagh Bazar, you have the Bagh Bazar Sarbojanin Durgotsav, and then you return back from Bagh Bazar towards Jagat Mukherjee Park, which is also a very old Durga Puja, and then towards the Shobha Bazar Rajbari. The Shobha Bazar Rajbari is a very traditional Durga Puja is held over there. It's not very huge pandal and anything like that. It's just a very cultural place. So I would suggest after visiting these places, you have some food, some lunch, take some rest near Shobha Bazar Shutanati metro station. There are many different places you can eat. As you can see over here, these yellow ones are places where you can eat. And after that, you head towards Hathibagan. You can take an auto or walk for 15 minutes and reach Hathibagan bus stop, and over there you'll have a few of them. The first one being the Shikdar Bagan Shadharan Durga Puja. After Shikdar Bagan, you move a little south towards Hathibagan Nobin Polli, and then southwards towards Nolin Sarkar Street. And after Hathibagan Sarbojanin, you head to Nolin Sarkar Street Durga Puja, which is also an old one. And you can even have some Dada Bodhi biryani over here, which is quite famous for the Bengali biryani which we have over here. After Nolin Sarkar Street, you head towards Muchi Bazar, and there's an Aurobindo Setu Sarbojanin Durgotsav over here as well. If you want to take a look at it, you can. It's not going to be that big, but it is there. And after that, there's the Korbagan Sarbojanin Durgotsav, and finally the Telenga Bagan Durga Puja. After covering all these places, there are 2 choices you have. You can head back to Hathibagan Market or Sham Bazar and then return home, or from Sham Bazar you can also head to the Tala area. I think you can get autos till the Tala Barwari Puja over here at B. And if you have a lot of time, then you can also go to Tala Park Prottay, which hasn't been doing too much in the last few years, but sometimes they make really but earlier they used to make some good pandals. Maybe they'll make something good this year, but that is not my suggestion in any way. From Tala Park, you can head towards Dom Dom Junction and then return, or you can head towards the Kolkata Junction and return, which doesn't have many trains, or head towards Shambazar metro station, and from there you can basically go anywhere, and from there basically you can go home. Basically from Shambazar, from any metro station, you can go either to Dom Dom in the north or to Kovi Subhash metro station in the south, so that you can get on a train and go home. So those places are there, and this was the north. I hope you like this one. I'll add the map in the description below. I hope you like this video. Give it a like to show your support, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of the next video as soon as it's out. Hope you have a good puja. Bye bye.